for anyone needing to take an international flight and you have decided to use the Abbott COVID home test for your return flight to the US, here's how to use the app. I recently used it in December of 2021, worked pretty seamlessly. You can actually go on the computer when you take the test with a representative, but you're going to need this app on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, and show the results to the airline staff when you check in for your return flight. And remember, you only have 24 hours to do this. You can't do it, 72 hours like you used to be able to. Now it's within a 24-hour window. And for each person, you have to log out and then wait 15 minutes and log back in. So if you have children, any minors, you have to do the test, I believe, if they're over 2 years old. So just keep that in mind. What my wife did was took hers the night before the flight within that 24-hour window. Then the next day, she logged in and did it with my son. So here's how this app looks. And what you've got is this is the homepage when you first log in. When you originally download the app, you're going to have to sign in and give some information, but it's very helpful for when you're overseas on your wherever your international location is and you need to log in. But remember the email and the password you use, because you're probably going to need that to sign in, or at least I did on my computer, and sometimes you will on your phone again. So here we are. Here's the initial part. And what will happen is they're going to ask your name, and also they're going to have your account linked here. But let's say they provide your results. If you look down at the very bottom of the screen here, you're going to see where it says results, home, and account. So you might have to wait a little bit after they upload the results after you take your test and you hit results. And you're going to see right here, it shows your results. And so that's what you're going to show to the airline staff. Now, if you need to add a separate account for your children, you go to where it shows account here. Go back to home, then you hit over on the right-hand side at the bottom of the screen, see where it says account? You hit accounts, and then it says manage profiles. So here is where you would create an account for any children. And it's just that simple. Just add manage profile, because that's how they're going to be on there. And so when you go to take the test with them, and remember, if you do that with you have to do it with a representative. And for any minors, an adult does have to be present, which I'm sure you would be anyway. But that's where you do it. So you just hit add manage profile, and you just go through the steps. I would, as I said, according to the rep, you need to log out, wait 15 minutes, and log back in for each individual that takes the test. So just keep in mind, if you have, multiple children, you're going to have to, think about that. You can also, I didn't ask on this, but you might be able to add, say, husband and wife on the same phone. I'm sure you can. It's just, I didn't even ask about that. But anyway, that's how you do that. Again, just hit account. If you need to add somebody, hit manage profile, and then you can create it from there. If you need to see your results, you can go to the results tab and you'll see that. So I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And I will talk to you soon. For a more detailed video on how to take the test, I'll provide a link to the other video I show on that as well. If you like this, please like and subscribe. You know the story. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.